Welcome to AI News Brew, your source for cutting-edge developments in technology and artificial intelligence. I'm your host, and today we're diving into the fascinating world of quantum computing. We've got some mind-bending breakthroughs to discuss that promise to revolutionize our devices and supercharge AI. So, grab your favorite brew, and let's quantum leap into the future of computing. Imagine a world where your smartphone processes information 1,000 times faster than it does now. Or picture AI systems that can solve complex problems in seconds that would take today's supercomputers years to crack. This isn't science fiction, folks. Thanks to recent quantum computing breakthroughs, this future is rapidly approaching. Today, we'll explore these groundbreaking developments and what they mean for you and me. Let's start with the basics. Quantum computing harnesses the mind-bending principles of quantum mechanics to process information in ways that classical computers simply can't. And recently, we've seen some incredible advancements in this field. First up, let's talk about a breakthrough that's making waves in the quantum world. Researchers in the US have achieved something remarkable with a quantum material called 1T tau. Now, I know that sounds like a droid from Star Wars, but bear with me. This breakthrough could lead to devices that are 1,000 times faster than what we have today. Just let that sink in for a moment. 1,000 times faster. But what does this mean in practical terms? Well, imagine downloading a 4K movie in less than a second, or running complex simulations for drug discovery in minutes instead of months. The possibilities are mind-boggling. Now, let's shift gears and look at how quantum computing is integrating with AI. We've got some exciting news from Southeast Asia. VDX Data Centers has just launched the region's first hybrid quantum AI testbed in Singapore. They've partnered with a company called Anyon to make this happen. This testbed is like a playground for researchers and companies to experiment with quantum computing and AI together. Why is this important? Well, when you combine the power of quantum computing with AI, you're looking at a whole new level of problem-solving capabilities. We're talking about AI systems that can optimize supply chains, predict weather patterns, or even discover new materials with unprecedented accuracy and speed. But it's not just about the technology itself. The quantum computing market is heating up, and we're seeing some interesting dynamics. Take IonQ, for example. They are one of the leading quantum computing companies, and their stock has been on a rollercoaster ride lately. They saw a dip of nearly 9% recently, but if you zoom out, they're actually up almost 19% over the past month. This volatility shows just how exciting and unpredictable the quantum computing field is right now. And then there's D-Wave, another major player in quantum computing. They've reported a staggering 509% increase in year-over-year sales for the first quarter. That's not a typo, folks. 509%. This kind of growth suggests that more and more companies are starting to see the potential of quantum computing and are willing to invest in it. Now, I know what you're thinking. This all sounds amazing, but what are the challenges? Well, you're right to ask. Despite these incredible advancements, we're still in the early days of quantum computing. One of the biggest hurdles is stability. Quantum systems are incredibly sensitive to their environment, and maintaining quantum states for long periods is a major challenge. Another issue is scalability. While we can create quantum computers with a few dozen qubits as quantum bits, the basic unit of quantum information, we need thousands or even millions of qubits to solve real-world problems that classical computers can't handle. Getting to that scale while maintaining quantum coherence is a huge technical challenge. There's also the question of software. We need to develop new algorithms and programming languages that can take full advantage of quantum computers. This requires a whole new way of thinking about computation, and it's an area where we need more research and development. As we wrap up, let's take a moment to consider the bigger picture. The breakthroughs we've discussed today are more than just technical achievements. They represent a fundamental shift in our ability to process information and understand the world around us. Quantum computing, combined with AI, has the potential to solve some of humanity's most pressing problems, from climate change to disease prevention. We're standing at the threshold of a new era in computing. The road ahead is challenging, but the potential rewards are enormous. As these quantum technologies mature and become more accessible, we can expect to see transformative changes across industries, from finance to pharmaceuticals, from logistics to materials science. That's all for today's episode of AI News Brew. Remember, the future is quantum, and it's coming faster than you might think. Keep brewing those ideas, and stay curious about the quantum world around us. Until next time, this is AI News Brew, signing off.